Is your Outlier account disabled? Did you fail your Outlier assessment or you failed your Outlier onboarding? Did you suddenly get suspended or you are no longer getting tax on your Outlier account? A lot of people are facing these same issues on their Outlier account. Either their account is suspended, either is disabled, or they are no longer getting tax on their account. It's a common issue right now in the tax space. A lot of people are facing this same problem, especially for those of you who are in Nigeria doing tax. I'm going to show you why a lot of accounts are being disabled and what you can do to recover your accounts right now. Now, Outlier is not just targeting a lot of people who are because they are Nigerians or they are Nigerians living abroad. Outlier is an AI platform and a lot of people are making these mistakes. That is why their accounts are getting suspended. I'll show you how to not get suspended and how to recover your account in case your account has been suspended. If your account has been suspended or you're no longer getting tax, listen now. Okay, stick with me to the end of this video. I will show you what is making that account getting banned and what you can do to recover your account right now. So number one, the misconception that Outlier is targeting just Nigerians. Before the Nigerians wave of Outlier, there were Kenyans, there were South Africans doing this Outlier thing, and a lot of them were doing this without noise. But one thing about the Nigerian space is a lot of noise. Nigerians make a lot of noise. So yeah, you see videos on TikTok, videos on YouTube, people exposing a lot of things. Okay, if you got a hack for it, they will spread it out and show it out. Now, these are the things that are making a lot of people who will come into this space and they will also carry out those things. And when Outlier discovers a pattern, they will begin to look to contain it, and a lot of accounts who are doing that kind of activities will be suspended. Now, Outlier is not just attacking Nigerians. Nigerians are the one misusing the platforms. Okay, I'm a Nigerian too, so don't get it twisted. My account has never been suspended. Number two is the VPN. Never you use a VPN on Outlier. Don't use a VPN. If you don't have the money, give it a taxer that uses a proxy or an RDP. Don't use a VPN on Outlier. Their system is so sophisticated, it will detect if you're using a VPN. So don't use a VPN. It's the wrong thing. It will get your account suspended. If you are going to use something that will hide your IP, please don't use a VPN. Use a proxy. A proxy is better than a VPN when you are approaching Outlier. Use a proxy, and a very prominent one. If you want to get a proxy, I have a video that will show up there about proxies. And if you want to buy a proxy, okay, you can chat me in our community. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn notification bell, join our community on Telegram, and send a DM to get a proxy. Okay, that's out of the way. We are going to look at account sharing. Never you log into your account using link. Those of you who are taxers, now the person who created the account for you, when they are creating the account, let them create a new email that both of you can share. Okay, a new email that both of you can share, so that when you are logging in, you just go from the email direct instead of them copying the link from your email to give to you and you're logging in via a link. Okay, never use a login link. Use directly from your email. That's one mistake a lot of people make. A lot of us know that you can't do Outlier in Nigeria, so never you try to log in without your proxy setup. All right, so you need your proxy setup, and never use a VPN. All right, if you can use an RDP, it's better. That's what I use. RDP is better to use. One of the things I want to emphasize is poor taxing. A lot of people are just newbies. When you go to Twitter or you make a post, you see a lot of people who are going to comment or come to your DM and say, I'm a taxer, I have a very good review. And no, a lot of them have not done Outlier before. They're just using your account. They just want to use your account to start experimenting. They will make your account get suspended because they are not knowledgeable enough on how to use Outlier. Okay, so whenever you are going to give your account to somebody, let it be somebody who has the knowledge on how to go about it. One of the reasons why your account will be suspended is poor assessment. If you don't meet up to what they want, your account will be suspended. So that is why I still say give your account to somebody who knows what they are doing. Now, in case your account has been suspended, in case you're no longer getting tax, in case you failed onboarding, you open an account and you failed the onboarding, in case you are a new person, you're trying to do it yourself, or maybe you were doing tax and it's no longer working. Now, this is what you do. Outlier pays every Wednesday. Okay, once it's the morning of Wednesday, they will pay you. Now, if you have done tax and you have a little money inside of it, make sure they have paid you. Once they paid you, this is the way to recover your account. This is the only way. So those people who are telling you that you need to pay them $100, $500, or whatever they are charging you right now to recover your account, let me just expose how to recover your account. The best way to recover your account is to deactivate it. Deactivate your account. If there's no money inside of it, deactivate it. If you fail onboarding, deactivate it. If you failed assessment, deactivate it. If you're no longer getting tax, deactivate it. That's the best way to go about it. Deactivate your account. Once you deactivate it, create a new account, what you just need to do is to open it with a new email, a new phone number. The person who was using a driver's license, let them use another document. But the main thing is deactivate your account, change the email. That's the number one thing. If the person doesn't have another phone number, you can get a phone number from any of the providers. Just get Fantel. I have a video up there that will show on how to get foreign phone numbers. But if the person doesn't have anyone and still want to, because of trust, let the person use their previous phone number. The main thing is the email. Change the email. That's the main thing. Once you change the email, you deactivate it, create it with a new email, same document. Even if it's driver's license, let the person still use it. Even if it's the same phone number, let the person still use it, and you see your account will get started. Choose generalist and get started. Your account will be recovered. Okay, as you can see, I've recovered a lot of accounts for a lot of people, but the problem with Nigeria is that a lot of them gatekeep a lot of things. You don't have to blame them. People were gatekeeping Outlier and it was not saturated like this, and they were not getting massive banning. But right now, because of the noise and everything, so people are just doing anything they like. Okay, for you to recover your account, deactivate it, create it back again. I can walk you step by step, guide you without charging you anything. Join my community, chat me on Telegram, and I'll guide you to get started. Okay, so that's just how to recover your account. There's no special thing people are doing to recover your account. You just have to deactivate it and get started. That's just it. To avoid Outlier account being disabled, follow the platform rules. Follow them. Do proper taxing. Never use AI to answer AI. Even if you are going to use ChatGPT to answer most of the questions, put your intelligence to play. Okay, twerk it. Whatever answers ChatGPT give you, twerk it to make it look like a human response. Okay, proper review. Okay, you need to level up on your review. Okay, when they see that you give good reviews, they give you more tax. Okay, and Ether is not the only way to earn on Outlier. Ether is just one project on Outlier. There are other projects on Outlier. Okay, there's Mango, there's Camel, there's Hopstock. There's a lot of things to do on there. So guys, whatever you need to do, please follow me up on YouTube, follow me up on Twitter, follow me up on my TikTok account. Guys, it's the money updates, and I'll keep showing you a lot of opportunities to make money online. Okay, watch my next video, how to go about other platforms that will make you money doing tax online. Okay, so don't forget to like, subscribe, turn notification bell. I'll catch you on my other videos. Don't forget, like, subscribe. It doesn't take you anything, just subscribe. If this video has been helpful for you, leave a comment, okay, so that I know that I've really helped somebody out there.